Hey everyone! Welcome to our video. Today we're talking about colon health. An unhealthy colon can lead to discomfort such as bloating and constipation. But did you know that certain fruits can significantly aid in cleansing your colon? We've got your back. Let's be real, colon issues can leave us feeling sluggish and uncomfortable. But it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready for 8 amazing fruits that'll help unclog your colon fast and restore your health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips. Fruit number 1, apples. Apples are one of the best fruits you can eat to help clean your colon. Why? Because they are packed with fiber, which is crucial for keeping your digestion smooth and preventing constipation. One apple contains about 4 grams of fiber, and this fiber comes in 2 types, soluble and insoluble. The soluble fiber, found in the soft inside part of the apple, helps to draw water into your stool, making it softer and easier to pass. Besides fiber, apples also have a special type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin is great for your colon because it has the power to not only clean, but also strengthen the intestines. It helps to eliminate built-up waste and reduces the risk of colon infections and inflammation. Just make sure to wash them thoroughly before eating. You can enjoy apples as a quick snack, chop them into salads, or blend them into smoothies. Fruit number 2, avocados. Avocados are another amazing fruit for colon health. They are incredibly rich in fiber, with one medium-sized avocado providing around 10 grams of fiber. Much like apples, avocados contain both soluble and insoluble fibers. The soluble fiber in avocados helps to soften the stool, while the insoluble fiber speeds up its passage through the colon. But avocados offer more than just fiber. They are also full of healthy fats, specifically omega-3 fatty acids, which help to lubricate the intestines and make it easier for the stool to pass. These fats also reduce inflammation in the digestive system, which can be a boon for people suffering from colon issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. They can be sliced into salads, mashed into guacamole, or even blended into smoothies for a creamy texture. Eating avocados regularly is not just good for your colon, but it's also great for your heart health and overall well-being. Fruit number 3, raspberries. Raspberries are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to cleanse their colon and improve their digestive health. These small but mighty fruits are loaded with dietary fiber. Eating just 1 cup of raspberries gives you about 8 grams of fiber, which is a significant portion of the daily fiber recommendation. Fiber in raspberries helps keep your bowel movements regular, which is crucial for cleaning out the colon. It pushes waste through your digestive tract and helps prevent constipation. But that's not all. Raspberries are also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients are important because they help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in your body, including in your digestive system. This can be especially beneficial if you have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or other inflammatory bowel diseases. You can eat them fresh, toss them into a salad, mix them into yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. Not only do they add a delicious flavor, but they also provide a nutritional boost to your meals. Fruit number 4, papayas. Papayas are another excellent fruit for maintaining a healthy colon. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with digestive benefits, particularly from an enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins in your food, making it easier for your body to digest them. This can lead to less stress on your colon and fewer digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Papayas are also a great source of fiber, which, as mentioned, helps to move waste through your digestive system more effectively. This cleansing action is vital for keeping your colon clear and functioning properly. In addition to fiber and papain, papayas contain a good amount of vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This means eating papayas can help reduce inflammation in your digestive tract. To incorporate papayas into your diet, you can eat them fresh as a sweet snack, blend them into smoothies, or use them in tropical salsas. They can be a refreshing addition to breakfast or a colorful topping for salads and desserts. Fruit number 5, kiwis. Kiwis are small fruits that pack a big punch when it comes to digestive health. They are especially good for cleaning out your colon because they contain a lot of fiber. Just 1 medium kiwi holds about 2 grams of fiber, which is important for helping push waste through your colon and keeping your bowel movements regular. This can help prevent constipation and keep your colon healthy. Moreover, kiwis have an enzyme called actinidine. This enzyme is great because it helps break down proteins in your stomach, making digestion smoother and quicker. When your digestive system works well, it's easier for your colon to do its job and cleanse itself. You can enjoy kiwis in many ways. They are perfect to eat on their own. You can slice them into fruit salads or add them to yogurt or smoothies. Their sweet and slightly tangy taste makes them a refreshing addition to any meal or snack. Fruit number 6, pears. Pears are another excellent fruit for maintaining a clean and healthy colon. They are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps to soften your stool by drawing water into your intestines, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, helping it move through your colon more easily. This makes pears a great fruit for preventing constipation and keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Aside from their high fiber content, pears are also packed with vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. These nutrients help maintain the health of your digestive tract and strengthen your body's ability to fight off inflammation. Pears are incredibly versatile and easy to include in your diet. You can eat them fresh as a quick snack, chop them into chunks for a refreshing salad, bake them for a delicious dessert, or even cook them into compotes that go well with both sweet and savory dishes. Fruit number 7, bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, and they're not just tasty, they're also great for your colon health. One medium-sized banana contains about 3 grams of fiber. This fiber is crucial for helping food move smoothly through your colon and for keeping your bowel movements regular. Regular bowel movements are important because they help clear out waste and toxins from your colon. Bananas also contain a type of fiber known as resistant starch, which isn't digested in the stomach or small intestine. Instead, it reaches the colon intact, where it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the cells of your colon, helping to keep your colon healthy. You can enjoy bananas in many ways. Eat them raw, slice them into cereal or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or use them in baking as a natural sweetener for muffins and bread. Fruit number 8, blueberries. Blueberries are tiny fruits with powerful benefits for your colon and overall health. They are extremely high in antioxidants, which help protect your body against inflammation and cellular damage. This is important for your colon, as reducing inflammation can help prevent colon diseases. Like other berries, blueberries are rich in fiber, with about 4 grams per cup. This fiber helps regulate your digestive system and ensures that waste moves through your colon efficiently. This not only helps cleanse the colon, but also helps prevent constipation and maintain regular bowel movements. Their vibrant color comes from a compound called anthocyanin, an antioxidant that may also contribute to the health of your digestive system by fighting inflammation. They are delicious whether eaten fresh, added to yogurts, cereals, or salads, or used in baking. You can also blend them into smoothies for a nutritious and refreshing drink. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these delicious and nutritious fruits that can help unclog your colon fast. Don't forget to give them a try and let us know your favorites in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.